Here you go. So for today tutorial, we're going to learn how we can design the schema for a Node.js project. So first you need to have to create a to-do model file, and inside it we're going to in the first step we're going to import mongoose import mongoose from mongoose. In this second step, we have to define the schema for a to-do item. So let's create a const to-do schema equal no schema. So in the third step, we're going to create the model for the schema. Const to do mongoose model to do and to do schema. So lastly, we're going to export our function in order to be used in other files to do. So inside the to-do schema variable, we're going to add our item. We need the title, type string, require true. Next, we need the trim. We need to trim it in order to avoid spaces. That is type string normal array of string, and we need to add it to be done to be done is tag perfect ongoing and completed, and as default we're going to have to be done. Okay, next we need the deadline. This is the element that is inside our app. So in the deadline we need is type the date, need the date, and last in the last object we need timestamp. We make it true. We need to use it here for it helps just for creating automatically the create it and update it. It's automatically created it and updated it. Perfect. That's all. This is how you can design your schema.